Drones are one of the coolest gadgets out there right now, and there are so many different reasons you'd want to operate one. Drone cameras can capture the most magnificent views few have seen. They make great partners for passionate photographers and videographers wanting to get some airborne shots. In this video, we break down the 5 best drones in the market. Our dedicated team has spent countless hours conducting thorough research to carefully select and evaluate the best products, all to give you reliable recommendations you can trust. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 ultralight and foldable drone, at less than 249 g, weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. It is compact and convenient, and this tiny drone is your ideal travel companion, transforming how you capture your favorite memories. It has a 12MP camera in the sky and delivers content guaranteed to impress. With 4K/30fps video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, Mini 2 ensures stunning image quality that is consistently smooth no matter how adventurous your piloting gets. This Mini 2 supports up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, allowing you to fly farther and see clearer. It has a maximum battery life of 31 minutes, and DJI Mini 2 grants enough time to compose the perfect shot. Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro camera drone, weighing less than 249 g, Mini 3 Pro doesn't require registration in most countries and regions. The foldable and compact design makes it easy to carry on any adventure. It captures your world in remarkable detail with 4K/60fps video and 48MP photos. The advanced camera system supports dual native ISO and f/1.7 aperture for high-quality imagery, night and day. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. The gimbal rotates 90, so you don't have to compromise image quality. DJI Mini 3 Pro features tridirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, bringing unrivaled safety to the Mini series. DJI Mini 3 Pro offers an extensive range of intelligent features, including focus track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time-lapse, quick transfer, and more. Number 3. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S drone is equipped with a 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 micrometers pixels. DJI Air 2S is capable of 5.4K/30fps and 4K/60fps video. Its focus track features Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, making it a breeze for DJI Air 2S to follow or circle your subject. DJI Air 2S features DJI's most advanced O3 image transmission technology, giving you an ultra-smooth, precise, and reliable image feed every time you fly. DJI Air 2S can perceive its environment in 4 directions: up, down, forward, and backward, allowing it to actively avoid obstacles, even in complex scenarios and at high speeds. Its subsequent evolution of quick shots, master shots, is an advanced intelligent feature that gives users the best shots in any location with a tap. Number 4. DJI Rise Tech Teo Mini. The DJI Rise Tech Teo Mini drone has a high-quality image processor, and the Teo drone shoots incredible photos and videos. Even if you don't know how to fly, you can record pro-level videos with easy shots and share them on social media from your smartphone. Its camera features 5MP photos and HD 720 videos at a maximum flight time of 13 minutes. It has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. The Teo app makes it easy to perform complex maneuvers and does cool tricks. It weighs only 80 grams and is durably built to survive accidents. but at this price point, those are very acceptable compromises. It is also the perfect drone for students, as the Teo SDK is easy to develop software for, making it a great aid if you're learning to code. Number 5. DJI Mavic Air 2. The DJI Mavic Air 2 drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. It captures impressive 48MP photos with a half-inch CMOS sensor, while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K/60 FPS video. Its OcuSync 2.0 has a video transmission distance of up to 6.2 miles/10 kilometers and can deliver 1080p FHD resolution live stream directly from the drone's camera. It has an impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes, which allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. Mavic Air 2 features intuitive shooting functions that make aerial photography more accessible than ever. Spotlight 2.0 keeps the camera locked on a subject while you fly freely. Its Active Track 3.0 keeps issues centered. POI 3.0 tracks are moving subjects like people and vehicles. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.